So hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vijay and today I am going to explain what is list comprehension in Python. So imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to perform some operations on each of them to create a new list. List comprehension is like a shortcut or more concise way to do this. So here is a basic example that I want to take. Suppose we have a list of numbers and we want to create a new list where each number is squared. So without list comprehension, you might use a loop. Okay, so now let's see the example. Suppose we have one original list. You can take any name. Okay, I am taking a meaningful name. Okay, so original list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose we have this list. Now we want to take square of each number. So for this I am making one more list, empty list, that is square underscore list. Okay, and this is our empty list. So what will be our output? We want to take square of each number, means 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. This will be our output. So now we want to find square of each number from this list. So with using loop, how will solve this problem? So for number in our original list, because we want to take number from our original list or existing list, what we will do, we will simply the square list dot append, okay, in which what we have to do, number and then exponent operator, and simply we will write here 2. Okay, so what it will do, whatever the value of the number now, okay, that will be squared. Means this 1, the value of number will be 1 first, then 1 to the power 2. Whatever the answer will come, it will be append into this square list. Similar thing will happen with 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and what we will do after this, simply we will print the original list. So here I am writing original list colon comma and our original list we will print. After that what we will do, we will print square list or squared list, okay, and giving colon, so we will get our square list. Okay, so now let's see the output of this program. So I am going to command prompt. Here I am writing Python main.py. So here you can see this is our original list and this is a square list, means we have square each number from this original list. But this was not our aim. Our video title is list comprehension in Python. So same program we can write by using list comprehension. Okay, so with the comprehension you can achieve the same result in a single line. So instead of writing this for loop and all in 2 different lines, we can achieve our aim in a single line. Okay, so what we will do, simply I am writing here, I am just deleting all this thing, I am keeping the original list, then I am taking square underscore list, okay, and then here I am writing the empty list, inside we will write number, exponent operator, then 2, okay, so this will be our output, okay, but this is not done yet. What we have to write here then? We will write for number in original list. So instead of 2 lines we have written only single line. Okay, and simply what we will do then, we will print our original list first, in the same way we have to write, okay, and similarly we will write print square list, then space comma square list. Okay, if we see the output, we will get the same output. So here you can see original list and square list. So output is not changed, only the process will change. Instead of taking 2 lines, we have written this program using a single line. So this is we call list comprehension. Okay. Now I am going to explain you the syntax of this list comprehension. In simple terms, list comprehension is a way to create a new list. So what we have done here, we have created a new list, okay, by specifying what you want to do with each element of the original list, all in one line. So it's like a compact and readable shorthand for certain types of loops. So now let's move to the syntax. So what is the syntax? So here I am explaining the thing ki whatever the new list you want, you have to specify that thing. Suppose new list is my list, then I need to mention a square bracket. Here I will write the expression, okay, then we have to write the for loop, then item, okay, in iterable if condition. In our example, we have not used any condition, but we can use the condition here. Okay, so let me explain you what is the meaning of this expression. So this is the operation or transformation you want to perform on each item in the iterable, in this case the original list. After that, what is item? So this item represents each element in the iterable. That is, in this case, iterable is original list. Okay, so as you iterate through it. After that, what is the meaning of this iterable? This will be our original list or sequence you are looping through. Okay, and condition, we know that if we use any condition, it will be true or false. Okay, so if this condition is true, at that time only this expression will be executed. So by using this syntax, we can say like number is our expression, okay, number exponent 2, exponent operator 2 is our expression, this for is a for, this number is our item, okay, and this original list is nothing but our iterable. It is a sequence that we are going through, iterate the original list. In our example, we have not used any if condition, but if there are some problems where we have to use any if condition, we can use it. So guys, this is our concept list comprehension in Python. I hope you understood the concept. Is there any issue with this program? Is there any issue with this concept? Please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.